Good day, guys. My name is Iviwe Magoma. I am the founder of ILM Digital, and today I'm going to be teaching you or showing you something really interesting. I'm even surprised that most advanced traders or most experienced traders aren't really familiar with this method. Some people think it's actually impossible to do this, but I'm actually going to be showing you proof live in front of your eyes of me trading an account that has nothing in it. So I'm going to be trading that account and basically showing you how to turn that that nothing balance into $1 million within a space of 12 months. So yeah, I'd like to request one thing that will actually benefit you in the future. If you like the content, if you think this is the content that I'm actually giving to you guys is valuable or informative for you, I would like you to go down below this video and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, then go to the comment section and comment "we want more." That way I'll see that more people that are actually watching this video are not only watching the video but are actually interested in the content that I'm actually showing in these videos that I'm actually making. So if I see that people are actually paying attention, I'll be dropping more videos like this. So be sure to drop your comment down below, hit the like and subscribe. Yeah, with that said, let's quickly jump into a video of me trading a live account that has absolutely nothing in it. Then I'll show you how to actually convert that amount into $1 million within a space of 12 months. So yeah guys, let's jump straight into that.
Okay, I just created an account and I received a credit of £35. So this means I did not deposit any money into this FX account. I just received a credit from my broker. As you can see, my equity is £35 and my balance is now 0.0. So whichever amount I profit from this account, the profits will show up on the balance and I'll get to keep the profits and I won't even have to pay back the credit. So I'm going to trade this account for 30 days and I'm going to show you the results after 30 days. Let's do this. Okay, I'm trying to find a currency pair that I can trade now. Just hope this does not take up the majority of my time. I can't find any setups here. USD CAD, I think it's almost ready. Nope. No. Wish my battery is dying. Can I trade this thing or not? Okay, let me just ignore that one. Yeah. Okay guys, I just found the first entry. As you can see, I opened the sell here. Let me quickly set my stop loss. I found this in a rush, guys. I couldn't wait. I just had to execute before the market went right past my area. As you can see now, my stop loss is a bit big. That's why I'm stuck now. I like to place my stop loss above an area of resistance, but in this case it looks like I'm not going to be able to do that. So let me just place my stop loss. Oh my goodness, what happened to my trade now? Okay, let me just place my stop loss and see what will happen, and hopefully I come out unscathed from this trade because the stop loss is way too big now. I'm going to keep trailing it. I'm not going to set a take profit. So that's my first trade, guys. Modify, done. Let's go and see. Okay, the trade seems to be doing well for now. Okay, let me pause this video again and find more trades, guys. Okay guys, this is the progress on our current account. This is the account that we received a credit of £35, and we now have equity that's just over £74. We didn't have anything. Our balance, we didn't have anything. We had 0. Now we have £32.22.
and we still have some other open trades, and they seem to be doing quite well except for one. But we'll keep trading this. We'll keep you updated.
Yeah, as you can see, the count is gradually increasing, guys. Now all our trades are now showing positive numbers. Our equity has risen to 78.24 pounds, and by the looks of things, it seems like we're doing good for now. So yeah. Okay, that losing trade was finally stopped out, and we're now left with all positive trades, and it looks like they're headed in the right direction. As you can see, our equity has dropped to 66. It was 68. I mean, our balance, it was 66. It was 68, but now it's 66. But our equity has risen because now we're over 130 pounds. Yeah, and we still started with nothing, guys. Keep that in mind.
Okay, cool guys. Now, as you can see on the video, I managed to trade that account for a very short period of time. I think I traded it for about a day or a couple of hours. And I managed to turn that account from £0 into 100 or just over £100. I can't remember the number that was on there. But that account was in pounds, so you can basically do your own conversions into your own currency or into the US, the most common currency that is used. You can convert that on your own. But when you convert it into rands, that's roughly 2,000 rands or something, or just above 2,000 rands. So you can basically do your own calculations. I know a lot of people that are not able to generate that much money within a long weeks of hard work, you understand? So I know people that have jobs that get paid less than that amount, and we actually managed to turn that amount in just a short period of time. Yeah, so yeah, now that you've seen that it's actually possible to actually trade on the forex market without necessarily depositing any money into a broker, now it's time for us to actually go down into the deep dynamics on how you can actually turn that amount into $1 million within a space of 12 months. So yeah, let's jump straight into that. Okay, cool. We're going to be looking at a profit breakdown on how we're actually going to take or how we're actually going to turn this amount into $1 million within a space of 12 months. So looking in front of us here, we have a profit breakdown. This is what I like to call. Basically, in a week, we have 52 weeks, right? I mean, in a year, sorry. We have 52 weeks in a year, understand? And we have 5 trading days per week. Now, I'm talking about Forex now. We only have 5 trading days when we're trading on the Forex market. The reason why I'm making an example with Forex is because the previous example that I showed you with the account that I was actually trading on is actually an account where I was trading financial markets. So I was actually trading currencies on that account. So we're going to be specifying Forex in that sense, you understand? There are some markets that you can actually trade over the weekend, but we'll be focusing on the Forex market. Now, trading days per year. Now, if you multiply this 52 by 5, you actually come up with 56. So you actually have, with 260, sorry. We actually have 260 trading days in 1 year. So this is what the calculation is going to be based upon. It's going to be based upon the trading days that are available in a trading year. And we're going to be talking about the profits that I actually managed to make on that account, which was, I think it was above 130 pounds. That is a pound currency. Profit ratio, now this is for a worst case scenario. Now let's say, for instance, we do not reach this target amount every day, or let's say we lose 50% of this amount over the course of the year. So we're also going to be touching base on that profit ratio of a 50% loss in a worst case scenario. You understand? Because you must understand, when we're trading in Forex, we are not trading in a market of confirmed scenarios. We are trading in a market of probabilities. So we're basing this on probabilities. Understand? Of course, you can actually make way more than what I've actually made an example of, but this is me being realistic to you so that you can see what we're actually calculating here and how we're actually coming up with all of these calculations. Okay, let's calculate the first scenario. Total trading days a year, we have 260 trading days. Multiply this by 130, which is the daily profit. We come up with this amount per annum, and this amount is in pounds. Keep in mind that the account that we were trading before was a GBP account, so it means that the profits that we're making is in GBP. Keep in mind that I'm from South Africa, so I'm going to be converting this into rands, so you'll also be converting this according to your country or the area of the world that you are in now. So these are the profits that we'll probably make, and these expected average in a worst case scenario. So this is what we expect. So we'll take that 50% of that of the profit ratio that we actually came up with, and we divide this amount here with 2. So we'll come up with 16,000 pounds 900. You understand? 16,000 pounds 900. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, guys. So basically, based on this concept, you can then now go and basically convert this into your national currency. Now, into US, I've already did this for you. Now, the first scenario would be 46,000 pounds. I mean just above $46,000. Excuse me. The second scenario, you would basically make about 23,000 pounds over a course of 12 months. When you come to ZAR, if you convert this into rands, which is ZAR, Z-A-R, the first scenario, this is just above $500,000. And again, I want to stress this, guys. This is based on the number that came out on the profits that we made on our live trade over there. You understand? So this will be the first case, and this will basically be your second case. So you're basically making this amount in a year. Now, keep in mind, guys, when we're calculating this amount, we're using the calculations based on the number that actually came out. You understand? The number that we actually came up with on the previous trade that we were taking, we're actually using that, and we're now taking that number and we're using it in a sense of probabilities. Understand? And we're actually showing a worst case scenario of that previous amount that we actually came up with. You understand? So this can be more realistic for you when you're calculating on your own terms. Now, you must keep in mind, in Forex trading, prices fluctuate all the time. So the amount that we made, that's just that's a small amount. You could actually make more trading on the Forex market. You can actually make $500 a day. It will depend on the trading lots that you're using or the trading style that you are actually using. So we should not keep that number in mind. We must know that there is a high possibility that you can actually generate a huge amount of profits when you are trading using this method that I've actually shown you here. Okay, cool, guys. I just showed you exactly how to actually turn absolutely nothing into $1 million trading on the Forex market. Now, you must keep in mind that the numbers that we're actually calculating on this video are not exactly fixed or specific numbers that you can actually generate on the Forex market. You can actually make more trading on the Forex market. This was just an example to show you that it is possible to actually make that amount without having absolutely nothing in your trading account. Now, of course, you will need a specific skill set to be able to do this on the Forex market. So what I actually did, I created a course for people who don't really know how to trade Forex profitably, or for people who absolutely know nothing about Forex trading. So if you want that course, just go to the link below. Just go to the description of this video and click on the link that's going to redirect you to the course, and you can basically learn every detailed strategy that I use to trade Forex, to trade on the Forex market, and to trade the account that I was trading in front of you. You'll also see a list of other methods of actually receiving free money of trading. Now, this is a broad course. It's an easy course, straightforward. Previous students loved it, so you can check that out, and that will actually help you and basically get you started on your journey of making your first million in your first 12 months. Now, due to the scope of this video, I'm unable to actually go through all the steps on how you can actually receive this free money. But if you do want me to create a video on that, make sure that you say that, or you write that on the comment section. Now, the more people that actually show interest in that video, I'll actually create that video for you guys and basically post it or upload it again for you to see. Now, in order for you to be updated when I drop those future videos, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification so that when I upload another video, you get notified by YouTube that the video is out. So make sure that you write on the comment section that yes, we do want to see that video, and I'll actually make that step-by-step tutorial for you guys. So for me, Ivuwe Makoma, have a great day. Goodbye, guys.